Sagutin niyo po yung tanong ni Congressman Dan Fernandez.
So, sir, tanong lang po namin muna doon sa 105 million. From 2021, 45, tapos suddenly nag-jump kayo ng 105 million. Ano po yung mga sponsor that you got for the programs that you have produced? Ano-ano po yung malalaking mga sponsor that you have contracted with?
Okay. With all due respect, Mr. Chair, I will answer the question with according to my knowledge only. 2022 po is election period po. Marami pong pumasok na political ads. Meron po kami mga AVPs. Meron pong, yung time na yun po, hindi pa po nati-take down yung social media na kung saan nag-i-income din po. At yung tanong po ni Honorable Congressman Dan Fernandez about sa expenses po, lumaki po siya, nag-jump off po ng hanggang 15 million. Dahil po nag-sponsor po ang SMNI News Channel ng pinaka magandang debate sa buong Pilipinas. 4 po yun na debates. Wala po yung bayad sa lahat ng pumasok doon. Mahal po ang Okada. So doon po napunta ang mga expenses. Hanggang doon lang po ang alam ko po na mga Mr. Chair.
Okay, salamat po. How about the commission? Kasi meron akong nakita rito, 2.6 million yung commission. Parang, hindi ko alam ano pa itong commission na to.
Kasi po, meron pong nag-sponsor, tapos meron po silang agent.
So yun ang commission nila.
May commission
okay,
po sila.
Punta tayo sa susunod na page. Tingnan lang po natin yung susunod na slide. Pero submit to us, all the documents pertaining doon sa expenses nyo for the salaries
Yes
program
po, Mr. Chair.
and production expense.
Opo.
Dito lang, medyo napansin ko lang yung advertising and promotion nyo. Meron kayong ginastos na 12.1 million. Samantalang ng 2021, 810 lang yung ginastos nyo. So what is this 12.1 million sa advertising and promotions niyo? Do you advertise SMNI? So gumagamit pa po kayo ng advertisement and promotion for this purpose? What is this all about?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po masagot yung exact na tanong po.
Okay.
Kasi wala pa akong...
Yung sa fuel and oil naman po ninyo. Konti lang naman to, Mr. Chairman. Fuel and oil, nag-jump siya suddenly from 2.6 to 7.9 million. Do you have other source of transportation like helicopter or
No
jet?
po, kasi po, nung time na yon nagkaroon po kami ng additional na marked vehicle po para sa...
Pero, Mr. Chairman, no, yung gantong kalaki na jump from 2.6 to 7.9 is not believable kung gagamitin nyo po lamang ay mga vehicle na ordinary sasakyan. That is not possible with this, no? Well, I'm just saying, ano? So, submit us to us as well yung mga lahat po ng receipt. Well, actually, job yan ng BIR. I think the BIR
Yes.
should issue a letter of authority to start the investigation on submit of getting all these documents. Huh?
Wala BIR.
Wala BIR? Again? We asked them twice, right?
No, this is the first time we invited them.
At once, okay. So, sir, yun lang po, pagdating po dito sa, pagdating po sa, sa business expense nyo, suddenly nagkaroon po kayo ng business expense. What is this also? Yung 3 point something. Ayan, makikita mo nyo sa business expense po ninyo. Meron kayo dyan bigla kayo nagkaroon ng 3.2 something there. Ano po ba yan?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, talagang hindi ko po alam yung...
Alright. I think, Mr. Chair, the problem is the submission of all these documents. Ano? So we will be asking na lang po siguro to ask the BIR para at least masimpina lahat ng mga documents. If we are having a hard time for the SMNI to submit to us all these documents, I think it's incumbent upon the authority that was given to BIR to issue a LOA, no? Para sa ganun po, makita po natin yung mga documents na to. I don't know what to do with this, Mr. Chairman. we're having a hard time trying to figure it out. Kung paano po namin may babalansi po yung mga revenues nyo and mga expenses ninyo. But there will always be a presumption, no, that this money is being used in here are coming from a different kind of sources. So, debunk us. I-debunk nyo po kami para at least we will be thinking that this money came from a source that is good, not a bad source. Kasi nga, yun ang magiging presumption po namin dito eh. Hanggang hindi nyo po ipinakikita sa amin itong lahat ng ito, hindi po natin malalaman kung saan yung revenue nyo sa kaya expenses nyo. Am I right, attorney?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yan. So, one more thing, Mr. Chairman, no? Yung Bampibus po na Capital Holdings Incorporated, kasi what is the primary purpose of this holding company?
Sino, Pibos? Sino sagot?
Sige. Okay. Second round? Gagalit na si Migs. Okay. Okay, so with the indulgence of of my colleagues here, siguro i-reserve ko na lang po yung katanungan sa susunod na lang po at
Ng BIR.
nagsalita na si
Yes.
si chairman, and with respect to our sponsor na resolution, so I'll be heading to the next line of questioning in the next round. Maraming
Yes.
po salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much.